Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth after fasting. This nourishing liquid is perfect for gently reintroducing nutrients to your body. It helps replenish vital electrolytes and supports your gut, which is especially sensitive after a fast. Bone broth also provides essential amino acids and collagen, aiding in a smooth transition back to eating solid foods. To make a rich and healing bone broth, you'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, such as beef, chicken, or a mix. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps extract minerals from the bones. Include 1 to 2 carrots and 2 celery stalks for flavor and nutrients. Finish with a pinch of salt, pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs. First, roast your bones for about 1 hour at 450 degrees Fahrenheit to enhance their flavor. Then, place the roasted bones, vegetables, and apple cider vinegar into a large pot or slow cooker. Cover with water and simmer on low heat for 12 to 24 hours. Once cooked, strain out the solids and allow the broth to cool completely before storing. When breaking your fast, begin with small, warm portions of bone broth to gently reintroduce nutrients. Gradually add solid foods 1 to 2 hours later. For storage, your homemade broth can be kept in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze it in airtight containers for up to 6 months, ensuring you leave some headspace for expansion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.